November 15, 2017, the art world stood in stunned awe as Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi sold for an unprecedented $450.3 million at Christie's auction house in New York. This made it the most expensive painting ever sold at auction. But beyond its staggering price tag lies an incredible story of rediscovery, mystery, and genius. Created during Leonardo's Milanese period in the late 15th or early 16th century, Salvator Mundi was likely commissioned for King Louis XII of France and Anne of Brittany as a symbol of faith and power. During this time, Leonardo was perfecting his sfumato technique, using soft transitions of light and shadow to create lifelike, ethereal figures. The result was a portrait of Christ unlike anything seen before, divine yet human, holding the world in his hand. The painting first entered the royal collection of King Charles I of England in the 1600s, but disappeared after his execution and the dispersal of his art. For over a century, it remained untraceable, only to resurface in 1763, misattributed to a lesser artist. By 1900, it landed in the collection of Sir Francis Cook and was still considered a mere copy. The true low point came in 1958, when it sold for just £45 at auction, its significance hidden under heavy overpainting. It vanished again, only to resurface in 2005 at a small U.S. auction, where it was purchased for less than $10,000. Recognizing its potential, the painting's new owners enlisted conservator Diane Dwyer Modestini to restore it. As she carefully removed layers of overpaint, the unmistakable genius of Leonardo emerged. "My hands were shaking," she later admitted, overwhelmed by the discovery. By 2011, a team of leading scholars confirmed its authenticity as an original work by Leonardo da Vinci. Its unveiling at the National Gallery's Leonardo da Vinci Painter at the Court of Milan exhibition created a global sensation.